I'm going to show you how to do a carrier unlock. I'm going to do it together with you step by step. Now, I have unlocked more than 100 phones using this method and it works perfectly. You only need your computer, your smartphone, and you need a SIM card from a different carrier. And that's all you need, and without further ado, let's begin. So the first thing you need to do is to get your phone's IMEI number. To do that, simply dial *#06#. And as you will see, your 15-digit number will show up in the screen of your phone. We're going to use only the first 15 digits of the IMEI number. This is very, very important. Okay, so the next step is to go to the computer. So I'm just going to put my phone aside and we're going to switch to the computer. All right, so the next step is to go to the internet. Here we will unlock the phone. We have to fill in the form, the brand of your phone. So this will work for any other brand as well. Then you're going to write down your IMEI number. That's the number we got at the beginning of the video. So just make sure you write it down correctly. Then you have to type the email where you want to receive your code or the notification that your phone has been unlocked. So just make sure you write it down correctly. It's very important. Otherwise, you won't get your unlock code. So just make sure it is 100% correct. All right, so now you have to wait until you get your unlock code. This will take a couple of days, as I said before, so you have to be very patient. But for this example, I'm going to show you how the email I got looks. So I'm going to go to my personal email account. And as you can see here, I got this message and it confirms that the phone has been unlocked. So I'm just going to open it. So as you can see here, it says that everything went successful. And now we have instructions on how to activate the unlock. In some cases, you're going to have an unlock code. In other cases, you simply will get a confirmation that your phone has been remotely unlocked. Either way, I'm going to show you how to do the unlock or how to activate the unlock. I'm going to switch back cameras. So next, we're going to have to power off the phone. So we're just going to hit here and select power off. Once the phone is fully off, we're going to insert an unsupported SIM card. Then we're going to power on the phone. It's going to take a few seconds, and once the phone is fully on, it will request an unlock code in order to use it with other carriers. You only need to insert this unlock code once, and your phone will be unlocked permanently. Keep in mind that this unlock code will only work one time for one specific phone. So as you can see here, I got this message requesting the unlock code, and we have 1 out of 10 attempts to insert the correct unlock code. So we're going to go ahead and insert the code right here. By the way, if you get an incorrect unlock code, you can just email them and they will send you the correct code. We're going to go ahead and hit unlock. SIM network unlock successful. Boom, the phone is now fully factory unlocked and it is a permanent unlocked. So you can now restore your phone, you can update, you can do whatever you want with your phone. It will always remain unlocked and compatible in the whole world. Thanks so much. I appreciate you taking the time to watch this video and I'll see you on the next one.